Hi Melanins, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, hi, double welcome to you. I make natural content, videos on how to grow your hair, natural tips, hairstyles tutorials and all of that, so feel free to go through my channel if you're interested in that. Well, today's video is going to be a little bit different because I'm doing an unboxing video. I will be unboxing this 14 inches LED RGB light I got, and yeah, let's get straight into it. I actually already have opened this package before and checked what's in it and set everything up and even used it once, but yeah, let's just act like I never did that and we're going to take it as a full unboxing video. So I got this from an Instagram vendor called Dream Beauty. I would link our Instagram page down below, and if you want more information on that, you can check it in the description box. So here's what the box that comes with the actual ring light looks like. It says RGB LED soft ring light. The RGB means red, green, blue, which means it can give multi-colors. And what's written down here are some English written in Chinese, which actually I never read, but if you want to read that, you can pause this video and read it. And now this is the back, and it writes the same thing, and it has this cute picture in it showing the different colors it can produce, which we will see later on in this video, and some stuff which, once again, if you would want to read it, pause it and read it. So yeah, let's get straight into what's in the actual package. So here's what we have. We have the actual ring light in it and some other stuff needed to set up the ring light. If I didn't mention before, this is a 14 inches ring light, which means it's actually 14 inches in diameter. It's connected to this wire, which you would use to connect it to your source of power supply or electricity, and it's tied up together with another rope to keep it in place, and it's quite long enough, not extremely long, but the length is very okay. Now this is where you control it. This is where you turn it on, and this is where you turn it off. You increase it, it's the light, and you reduce it, you dim it. So this is like the power button that is connected to the wire. In a second I would show you how to use these buttons, but let's get straight to setting this thing up first. So these are the other stuff it contains. This is the remote you can use from a further distance if you're filming and then you have to change the lighting. You can use this, it's very convenient. I'll also show you how to use this later. So these are the 3 phone holders it comes with. These are the flexible rods, I would call it that, and these are the actual phone holders. To join the two together, all you simply need to do is to unscrew the screw on the phone holder and then take the flexible rod and put it in. Just put it in, it's going to enter, and then put the screw back in and screw it back. Easy peasy. So here are the 3 phone holders after being joined together. So these are the last 2 things left. This is what you connect the ring light and the tripod with together. So this is like, I don't know what exactly to call it, but I guess it's just like make your life easier, because if you are connecting this straight, it means you are going to like screw your ring light all the way down, but with this thing it's like kind of reduces how much you're going to like screw your ring light in, if that makes any sense. So your ring light is just going just a little bit, just getting screwed just a little bit. So this screw here is to help make it have that 360-degree movement. When you unscrew it, you can easily move it because your ring light will be on top, so it means you can move your ring light from front to back, to left to right, give it that 360 movement, so you can film from to any direction, and when you screw it back, it stays at that direction you moved your ring light to. So let's connect all of these together. The phone holders goes to these 3 holes here, and all you have to do is simply screw them in like this. So next, you're simply going to screw this part to the bottom and just screw it like this. Very easy. So let's go into setting up the tripod, and here's what we have here. So there's this stuff that covers the screw. I really don't know what it's for, but we won't be needing that, but you can definitely always keep that back whenever you're doing it, probably just to protect it. So there's this screw here. You simply unlock it or unscrew it, and this makes it easy for you to like open the down of the tripod like this, and when you're done opening it up, you screw it back just to tighten it back. So right up there's another screw. You simply unscrew that too, and you can elongate the tripod by pulling it out, and then you screw it back to tighten it. So here's how long it is presently, but it can actually go way longer than that. So there's another screw. You're going to unscrew that too, and you can elongate it again by pulling it up, and this is how tall it is right now. So here's a better view of it. I wonder why anyone would need a tripod this tall. Just thinking out loud. But we're going to make this go shorter because I don't need that much height, and we're just going to screw it to keep it secured. Fixing the actual ring light on the tripod is actually very easy. You just need to like screw it round, and that's just it. And this is what it's looking like right now. Just so you can guess how the size is, it's something just like this. So it uses a USB plug, which you can simply plug in a power bank or directly to your charger head or a laptop or anything that just provides you with that electricity. But I will be using a power bank right now, and oop, did you see that? Like, it brought out a light to show that power is connected to it. So yeah, let's go into how to control it. So in this power button, it has the word lighting written on it, which gives you the 3 colored lights, and when you press it in the first color, it gives you the mixed color, which is the mixture of the warm color and the white color. And when you press it in again, it gives you the white tone or the white color, and then when you press it in again, it gives you the warm color. So this button gives you 3 different options, which are the mixed, the white, and the warm. And then we have the plus and the minus sign. The plus is to increase the light, and the minus sign is to dim it or reduce it, like this. And this is how low the light can get, and when you increase it, this is how high the light can get. So the other power button there is the RGB button, and it has RGB written on it. All you have to do is keep on pressing the button, and it shows you the varieties of colors it can bring out: the red, the green, the blue, and this is purple, and then you have the light blue. It just gives you a lot of different colors all around the rainbow, and you can see the reflection better of the color behind, because right now daylight is also in this video, so you can't really see the colors pop out well, but it simply gives you like different colors and different color patterns, probably all the colors you can find in the rainbow. So that's just what it means by being RGB. Then the remote isn't complicated either. We have 2 power buttons. The first power button is to give you the 3 color options we have, and when you turn it on, it gives you one of the colors, and then you can switch to white, to mixed, or to yellow. And then you can increase the light with the button above the yellow light and reduce it with that button above the mixed color light. The other buttons below controls the RGB, and you simply turn it on with the power button, and you can choose a red color there by tapping the red button, and you can choose the green color or the blue color, and you can decide to check for the other patterns we have using that M sign, and in case you want to go back, use the M minus. And I really don't know what the other signs do, I mean the other buttons do, because basically they don't really do anything. And at least from all the time I try to use the button, they don't really make any difference. So this button here reduces the light, while this button here increases the light. With these buttons I've shown you, you can get basically all the colors you need. As for the buttons, they don't really make any difference, so they're kind of useless. So I almost forgot to say this, you can actually get your ring light to have this 360-degree movement by unscrewing that screw there, and then your ring light will be able to move towards all direction, forward, backward, sideways, just to any direction you would want to film in, and then you screw it back to secure it, and that is basically just it. And that's basically just all. Thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to leave a thumbs up or like this video. And if you like to know more about hair growth, natural hair, don't forget to subscribe and share this video to anyone who would need to see it. And you can also check me out on my social media handles. I upload natural hair content almost daily, and then I'll see you in my next video.